60 seconds with Femi correct Pigeonese. Now what they do? And yes, one look what happened yesterday for inside UEFA Champions League, because Cristiano Ronaldo with your hand. Now so he tell Atletico Madrid don't want make una come out for inside UEFA Champions League. First leg of that match, Atletico Madrid win them 2-0. But yesterday Ronaldo turned Champions League to your own. He tell us, oh boy, now me get this league. Many people don't talk say, oh boy, this man Cristiano Ronaldo in my Champions League. There are two of them. Now two is 9B. Diego Simeone, the coach of Atletico Madrid, before that match when they asked us, oh boy, what if Juventus can't do that thing when you do PSG? What if they do that? He said, oh boy, if it happen, making go sell watermelon for Madrid. Many people say done the help and the open shop, and they say they don't help and open shop don't open for them. Another match yesterday will happen for inside UEFA Champions League. Now Manchester City versus Schalke 07. Sorry, Schalke 04. Anyone way you call them, correct. Manchester City yesterday, they don't even show Schalke 04 respect at all. Now so they just they score 7-0. 9-1 end. I wonder what you make of all the games will happen yesterday for UEFA Champions League.